guys, today I'm gonna bring you along on a trip to the Design Academy and show you around. In the Design Academy almost everything is possible. I just come with my skates every day to school.
I'm Felix, I'm first year and we're gonna walk a bit around. So this is the best place of the building. It's the wood workshop, metal workshop. We got screen printing and plastics. Belt sander, grinding, you've got everything you want.
Okay.
Oh, plasma cutter, this is super nice. You can make like all the shapes you want and you can cut it out of metal. You have a lot of teachers with a lot of assignments and most of the time you can just decide for yourself out of what material you do it, and sometimes you have a certain material that you need to work with. But there's always people to help you in the workshops. So if you don't know what you're doing, then you go and ask and they help you. They're super kind.
Here's the ceramics workshop. I'm gonna just show you around and ask people what they're making here. Hey.
Hi.
I was wondering what you're making.
Oh, I'm making a pot for the plant.
Hey. Hey, what are you making?
It's always me. I'm making samples. I want to make kind of a cute ceramic table. I want to try. Yeah.
Hey, what are you making?
Hey man, I'm making a wooden chair. Hey partner!
Hey, what are you making?
I'm making a fish skin out of metal.
Okay, cool.
So we need to like trace these pictures of the cook with garments, and we made like shapes with the garments. Like, what can we create from these shapes? Something like that, you know.
We did a performance at the Van Nave Museum. We made the scenography and I made this out of vinyl tubes and bike tires. It was messy through the way, but yeah, it's this crazy thing. And I think I'm gonna continue to make it longer and also,
Cool.
So that's the thing I'm working on these days.
So it was like a pump we did first, and then we turned it into a mask.
10 hours. Make it like opposite.